So you can see the shower system here. It's black, as you can see here, and there's a sheen with measurements and stuff. So I will install it in this small bathroom, and I have my cold water, which is usually on the right, and hot water, which is on the left. And it's half an inch pipe or fitting. So yeah. So I opened the first box. So there is this shower unit with the thermostat, and these intermediate fittings, or yeah, this will connect to the wall, and this wider part to the shower itself. So this should be half an inch, and this is 3/4. And there are these like gaskets for here, and these are the coverings, and instructions manual as well. So before I'm going to install a shower, I will let some water running through the pipes, just in case, because maybe there is some debris or some solid particles from the construction time. So it's hot water, left one. So I'm going to open up. This one is for the shower. So I can close it now. And we'll remove it from the hot water. I'm going to place it here in the cold water outlet. And I'm going to open the shower wall, which should be the third one. I made a temporary sketch here, but I will improve it later. Yep, so now the pipes are clean. Maybe they were before, but now I have this extra insurance. So I will remove this, and I will continue with fitting the shower system. So the pipes coming out from the wall are half an inch, so this side, and this is 3/4 of an inch, so this will be left outside. And it is that shape because then I can adjust the shower, because maybe these two are not on the same level, and yeah, I can move it a bit like left and right, and the distance between those two is important as well, so these let me adjust it. So I need to apply these and to seal these threads to make them watertight. I'm using this pipe sealing cord, and basically, yeah, it's really simple. I just hold one end with my thumb and then start adding it on the threads. On this pipe cord, casing, there is an instructions manual, and you can see here like the size of pipes, how many turns you have to do with this cord, and yeah, that's basically it. So it's quite simple, and this is good stuff. So one important thing to notice is that which way you should apply this cord. And it's basically you are tightening it clockwise, like that. So you should apply the cord, basically it's like anti-clockwise. You are turning it in like that, but you apply the cord the other way, so it doesn't. So when you turn it in, it doesn't pull or push the cord away. So one other thing to check is that if there is going to be a distance between this covering and the shower. So I'm just going to test it. And there is a 5mm gap. So I need to turn these more inwards. So I finished installing this shower unit. To check if it's working. Yeah.